Hey guys, so for this section, you guys are going to be looking at double angle identities. In your textbook, there's half angle and there's a couple other identities being introduced. We are solely going to be looking at double angle identities. Now, we have three types of cosine double angles. Don't get these confused with 2 times cosine or cosine squared. These are cosine double angles. Okay, very important to be aware of. Now, we have one sine and one tangent. The cosine ones you will see more often be used. And then we've got obviously the sine and the tangent. There's one option of each. Double angles do not mean 2 times. I'm just going to keep repeating that over and over. So these are 5 more formulas to add into your identities, and we're going to go ahead and get started using them on the next video.